Hey, how you doing everybody? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Today's episode we're going to be unboxing the oil catch can from Shield & Spear Performance for the 2.8 liter Duramax diesel in the Chevy Colorado and Canyons. If you want to get something for free, watch to the end of this video. And full disclosure, Shield & Spear sent this to me free of charge. I didn't pay for these at all, but I did not agree to give it a good review as well. But I am going to give them a lot of praise. Their customer service is bar none the best customer service that I have ever dealt with any company. They got back to me within a few hours on any time I've had a question about anything with the 2.8 liter Duramax. The machining work that they chose this to go with for their oil catch can, this has got to be some of the best machining work and aluminum work I have ever seen. It is just absolutely beautiful. Pieces are completely smooth, straight, beautiful piece. The aluminum bends for the mounting bracket and the powder coating, not a spot missed. Everything is beautiful and clean. Even the clamps are UPC. They're not some really cheap, weak clamps. They're good quality clamps. I am very happy with this kit. I am not giving a good review because they sent it to me for free. I'm doing this review and giving it a good review because it's a very good product and a very good company. So check out Shield & Spear Performance. You won't be sorry. Now to the free part. If you want to get a free hat and a free decal, what I need you to do is leave in the comments below that you're going to be contacting Shield & Spear Performance. Ask them anything, just let me know that, hey, I'm interested in Shield & Spear Performance, interested in the company. And also email me to the email address in the description of this video. And let me know that you're interested in winning one of these. I'll put the names in the hat. June 19th, 2019. Put them all in a hat, stir it up, draw your name out at random. Whoever's name I'll draw, I'll email back and let them know that they won. I'll get your information and mailing address, and I'll ship this stuff out to you free of charge, courtesy of Shield & Spear Performance for the products. Big Frog's 4x4, paying for the shipping, making sure my viewers get something. Just another way that hopefully we can give back to you, the viewer, for watching these videos, supporting this for the past year or so. As always, thanks for watching Big Frog's 4x4. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see new videos as they come out every week. Hit that bell if you want notified when the videos come out. And as always, God bless. And a side note for the 2.8 liter Duramax diesel, I've been using Amsoil, the European Formula 5W30 in our truck for 30,000 miles. I'm hoping you watched the video or the oil that's in my intake. Amsoil actually puts out less moisture, less oil vapor. They run oil up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. They catch all the vapor that comes off, and that's how they figure out how much boil off is coming on. Amsoil puts out less vapor than any other oil in the market. So don't forget to check out Amsoil.